Hello students, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine. Today we are going to study the second chapter of ICSE Class 10th Chemistry. The name of the chapter is Chemical Bonding. This chapter was already done in class 9th. In class 10th we are going to study chemical bonding with reference to the periodic properties which we have studied in the first chapter. What were the periodic properties which we had studied in the first chapter? We had studied ionization potential, we had studied electron affinity, we had studied electronegativity. Now we have to study these properties in reference to the chemical bonding. So let's start. So you imagine this line to be the difference in the electronegativity. And if this line denotes the difference in the electronegativity, then at this end the difference is 0, here the difference is low, and here the difference is high. So when I say that the difference in the electronegativity between the two atoms is 0, it means they are having the same electronegativity. Same energy to attract the shared pair of electron towards itself. इसका मतलब जिन दो एलिमेंट्स की डिफरेंस इन इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी 0 है, वो दोनों एलिमेंट एक ही ताकत से शेयर्ड पेयर इलेक्ट्रॉन को अपने तरफ खींच रहे हैं. दोनों जब एक ही ताकत से खींचेंगे तो शेयर्ड पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन जो है वो बीच में रहेगा. वो यहां और वहां किसी के तरफ नहीं जाएगा, इक्वली प्लेस्ड होगा, एकदम बीच में रहेगा. और अगर वो एकदम बीच में रहेगा तो उसे हम क्या बोलेंगे? इक्वली डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड. सो जब the difference in the electronegativity between the two atoms is 0, then the shared pair of electron is equally distributed. इसका मतलब exactly बीच में है. और अगर वो exactly बीच में है then those atoms are forming a compound, and that compound is having a symmetry. Symmetrical compound होगा वो. Symmetrical compound होगा. And third point, it will be electrically neutral. No charge it will have. Electrically neutral. So I repeat again, when the two atoms are having the difference in the electronegativity 0, then the shared pair of electron is equally distributed. Then the compound formed by these atoms is symmetrical compound, and the compound is electrically neutral. Even the atoms are electrically neutral. It means, fourth point I will say, they show no charge separation. For example, if we look here, hydrogen, chlorine, oxygen, nitrogen. So how do we go for it? Hydrogen. Hydrogen is having one electron in its outermost orbit. So let's denote it by one dot. Plus, it combines with another hydrogen having one electron in its outermost orbit. Then it shares, and this shared pair of electrons is lying exactly between the two hydrogen atoms. This shared pair of electron can also be denoted by a single line, which means single bond. So hydrogen is showing single bond. A pair of electron is being shared. A pair of electron means a single bond. Now, if I go for oxygen, oxygen is having electronic configuration 2, 6. That means in its outermost orbit, it is having 6 electrons. 6 electrons. It combines with another oxygen atom having 6 electrons in its outermost orbit. Now, to complete its octet, it needs 2 more electrons. So what it does? It shares 2 pair of electrons. 2 pair of electrons is shared. So in this way it shares 2 pair of electrons. When 2 pair of electrons is shared, then it is denoted by a double line, and this double line means a double bond. Same way if I go for nitrogen, nitrogen electronic configuration है 2,5. 2,5 मतलब उसके आउटर ऑर्बिट में 5 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हैं. अब ये एक और नाइट्रोजन एटम के साथ कंबाइन होता है जिसके आउटर ऑर्बिट में 5 इलेक्ट्रॉन हैं. 5 को ऑक्टेट कंप्लीट करने के लिए कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन्स की जरूरत है? 3 और की जरूरत है. तो they share 3 pairs of electrons. 3 pairs of electrons they share. अब 3 pairs of electron मतलब this will be denoted by 3 lines, and 3 lines means triple bond. So covalent bond. This was the covalent bond. This was formed by sharing. It was formed only when the difference in the atom of the electronegativities was 0. In that case, the shared pair was lying exactly in the middle and they had no separation of charges. They were electrically neutral. This type of bond is called as a covalent bond formed by sharing. And we have seen covalent bond is of 2 types. First is non-polar and other is polar. Now, non-polar matlab no charge separation. Non-polar means no charge separation. So all these here, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and even if you say Cl2, Cl plus Cl, Cl will have outermost orbit में 7 electrons. So it will share 1 pair of electron to complete its octet, and this is 1 pair of electron. The chlorine shares. So this is again a single covalent bond. This will also be denoted by a single line. So this is a non-polar covalent bond. This is an example of the non-polar covalent bond. So all the non-polar covalent bonds are electrically neutral, no charge separation. Now one more word we had here, and this was symmetrical compound. I have one more compound here, and this is CH4, methane. Methane is a symmetrical compound. If you look at the structure of methane, you will see that methane is something like this. H, 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 and H. It is a symmetrical compound. So, if it is a symmetrical compound, that means it is a non-polar covalent bond. It is having a non-polar covalent bond. It is a non-polar covalent compound. So, if a compound is electrically neutral, if the compound is symmetrical, that means the bond which it is having is definitely a non-polar covalent bond. So, I feel everybody has understood this. Thank you.